Hi students, today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject in lesson 2 water. It is a continuous of water management. In last class we have studied about water cycle. Agriculture is the source of our living. It uses most of the world's freshwater resources. It consumes around 70% of water, the available fresh water. In this topic, water management. Water management is the activity of planning, developing and managing the use of water resources. Water which is obtained naturally from ice sheet, glaciers, pond, lakes, river, streams and underground are called fresh water. And fresh water is having low concentration of dissolved salt. Nowadays, we don't get enough rainfall. And except few, most of the rivers undrained. Due to recent changes in the climate, we don't have water in lakes and pond. People in many countries suffer without water, even for their basic needs. So we need to manage the available water. The first one, rainwater harvesting. Do you know, children? In March 22 is celebrated on World Water Day. In March 22 is celebrated on World Water Day. Now let us see the topic, rainwater harvesting. The fresh water. Water is obtained naturally from ice caps, icebergs, ponds, lakes, rivers, streams and underground are called fresh water. It is also low concentrations of dissolved salt. It is low concentrations of dissolved salt. This is a picture of rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting rainwater from the roof top of the building is called rainwater harvesting. In this system, rainwater is stored into a storage tank for later use. Rainwater available in the open spaces around the building may also be recharged into the ground. The rainwater harvesting is a technology used for collecting and storing rainwater from rooftops, the land surface or rock catchment using the simple techniques such as jars and pots, as well as more complex techniques such as underground check dams. Rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and depositions of rainwater for reuse on site rather than allowing it to run off. There are two main techniques of rainwater harvesting. First one, storage of rainwater on surface for future use. Second one, recharge to groundwater. The storage of rainwater on surface is a traditional technique, and structures used were underground tanks, ponds, check dams, wells, etc. In rainwater is a valuable water resources. Rainwater harvesting has been practiced for more than 4,000 years. And rainwater is a valuable water resource. Rainwater harvesting has been practiced for more than 4,000 years. In developing countries, it is becoming essential owing to the temporal or spatial variability of rainfall. The Tamil Nadu government leads to the nation in implementing rainwater harvesting program. It has made it mandatory for all houses and buildings in the state to install rainwater harvesting facility. Next, advantage of rainwater harvesting. First one, it can reduce flooding in the cities. Second one, it can reduce topsoil loss. Third one, groundwater level can be increased. Third one, groundwater level can be increased. Then fourth one, groundwater can be conserved. Groundwater can be conserved. Then fifth one, it can improve plant growth. It can improve plant growth. Next one, farm pond. A farm pond is a structure dug out on the earth. It is usually square or rectangular in shape. And rainwater is stored in it for irrigation purpose. Perhaps the most obvious reason to build a pond is for irrigation. Pond can capture, store and distribute water for a variety of agriculture purpose. They irrigate crops, support aquaculture or provide water for livestock. Once again, a farm pond is a structure dug out on the earth. It is usually square or a rectangular in shape. So rainwater is stored in it for irrigation purpose. It is surrounded by a small bund which prevents erosion on the bank of the pond. The size and depth of the pond depends on the type of the soil, water requirements of the farmer, its uses and the cost of excavations. Today's topic, freshwater management. The first one, rainwater harvesting. The process of collecting rainwater from the rooftop of the building is called rainwater harvesting. Next, farm pond. A farm pond is a structure dug out of the earth. Rainwater is stored in it for irrigation purpose. Students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.